Right here. This is unexpected. Flash flood warning. Oh my gosh.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across northern Berkshire County. This line of storms is moving slowly to the east and will continue to move into western Franklin and Hampshire counties. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly after the line of storms enters the warned area. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches within 1 to 2 hours are possible in the warned area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Hampshire. The current time is 11:06 a.m.
Awesome. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for northern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Dang, not this one.
At 11:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
Sorry.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsfield, North Adams, Brattleboro, Monroe, Adams, Cheshire, Vernon, Florida, Hancock, Savoy, Rowe, New Ashford, Guilford Center, Berkshire, Dalton, Lanesboro, Guilford, Hinsdale, Richmond, and West Stockbridge. A slow-moving band of thunderstorms will bring heavy rain to the area through 1 p.m. Rainfall amounts of up to 3 inches will result in rapid flooding in some areas, particularly poor drainage areas in Pittsfield. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Severe thunderstorm watch. 278. Here we go. Thunderstorm watch number 278, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, Holland, and Wyndham, and the following counties in Massachusetts,
including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch and its conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds and forecasts out of the in.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets.
Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
First SVA caught. Here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lenox, or near Pittsfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to roofs,
Siding and trees.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Beckett around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East winds are around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Windsor, Mackinac Heights, Washington, Tanglewood, New Lenox, Lennoxdale, the Center at Lenox, Dalton, Adams Junction, and the Yankee Orchards. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Eastern
Daylight Time for the following counties: Berkshire, Massachusetts. Now we're getting somewhere a little bit unusual.
The National Weather Service Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Northfield, or near Greenfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Orange, Gardner, Uthall, Wichenden, Montague, Templeton, Westminster, Ashburnham, Northfield, Bernardston, Irving, Phillipston, Gill, Williston, Wendell, and Warwick. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Worcester.
Franklin, Hampshire.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Covington, or 14 miles northwest of Northampton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Amherst, Northampton, Orange, Deerfield, Belchertown, Uthall, Ware, Montague, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, Conway, Shelburne, Leverett, Irving, Shutesbury, Ashfield, and Westhampton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Hampshire. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Flood warning. Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood warning for western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. This line of thunderstorms extended from northeast Franklin County to northwest Hampton County. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. These thunderstorms are capable of producing rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches of rainfall in less than 2 hours in the Warren area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire.
There you have it. Now, this is business right now. Here we go. Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood warning for western Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, eastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Doppler radar has indicated rainfall of 2.5 to 3 inches per hour in this line of storms. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Amherst, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Amherst, South Hadley, Belchertown, Palmer, Ware, Granby, Barry, Hadley, Warren, North Brookfield, Hubbardston, West Brookfield, Brookfield, Hardwick, East Brookfield, Oakland, Pelham, Petersham, New Braintree, and New Salem. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, Hampshire, and Worcester.
Just made it. This one's
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Leominster, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lowell, Leominster, Fitchburg, Billerica, Chelmsford, Tewksbury, Westford, Acton, Concord, Sudbury, Clinton, Bedford, Groton, Maynard, Lunenburg, Littleton, Lancaster, Sterling, Eyre, and Shirley. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Worcester, Massachusetts.
I thought I could go and eat something.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts.
Oh crap, that's
Middlesex
Boston.
County in northeastern Massachusetts, northern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 3 p.m.
That's like eastern Massachusetts.
At 1:04 p.m.
Eastern
Eastern
half.
Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. These storms have produced 2 to 3 inches of rainfall per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Worcester, Massachusetts.